Traffic down here.
Yeah, it's okay. Because you can go 95. It's just a bit.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
My mistake.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Florida 713 South.
You can go US 195 or Turnpike. That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Turn left onto Florida 713 South.
Now it rerouted already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh wow. How much car?
Continue on Florida 713 South for 2 miles.
Yeah, this was the wrong way to do it, but I thought we had to go straight across, so I forgot we got to go through the E-Pass thing. And then again, until you get all these trucks.
A lot of trucks.
That goes. I won't accept any more appointments this late.
Yeah.
In the day. I just tell them that's it. If I want to make another one, it's going to have to be earlier. I have to do my business in the morning. You know? I got to call Resolute. They never made me an appointment for next month.
Yeah. Sometimes they automatically schedule you. I can log into your account, the patient portal.
Just easy to call.
I can look in the patient
They
portal.
normally answer the phone right away, you know.
Okay.
Pull up my name, everything, and then get me an appointment.
Okay.
stop and let the guy make a turn, huh? Then this big truck, which way he's coming?
Oh, oops.
Shit.
He's turning here. He's going this area right here. It was a lady. Driver. Remember?
In 600 feet, use the right lane to take the Florida's Turnpike ramp.
I thought the blinker went off on that truck.
Oh.
And they decided not to turn, the one that was turning. That's why I started to go ahead. Maybe, you know, sometimes you had it on and then you turn your steering wheel a little bit and it goes off. But maybe it didn't. I don't know. That's what I thought I saw. Shouldn't be anybody turning on us. Yeah.
In 1,000 feet, keep left at the fork. Follow signs for Florida's Turnpike, Miami.
I think there's only one.
They've changed something here. I don't know which one's the E-Pass.
You can go on this one.
We got to go up above, right?
Yes.
Keep left at the fork.
Slow down because we don't know there's people going this way.
Yeah. They changed the E-Pass. There's not E-Pass there
Continue for
anymore.
3/4 of a mile.
There's no sign there actually.
They taped it over.
Yeah.
Yeah, they taped
maybe
it over
because
because it caused so much confusion.
It could be
People trying to go back and forth. you
could
know?
be a construction.
Mm.
Yeah. I mean really they should have big sign there. Miami this way, Orlando this way. You know?
Yeah.
Because there's only 2 lanes
Yeah, people,
it's really
a lot
only-
of people don't know unless they've been there.
and it's confusing. It should be E-Pass or go through. I mean because it says a small entry.
I guess they'll get to it.
And it's a bit traffic, I can see.
In a 1/4 mile, merge onto Florida's Turnpike.
Jeez. Yeah, way to move on.
We're going to be exiting 133.
Uh-huh.
And we have 17. Miles from there. Okay. 10 miles. That seems a long one. Long way from the exit.
I don't know why this truck's not moving over. There you go. Strange. Kind of like all the water's on that in that lane.
Yeah.
Must be a lower lane. You know, this is built up a little bit. That's fine.
No, I think they're working on it. This is
No.
a brand new.
That's what I'm saying. This one's a little bit higher, I think.
This is new. The other one is not finished.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's much traffic.
Something's ahead.
something ahead. I don't know what to say. I didn't hear.
Maybe construction or something.
I don't know.
What's this exit?
I don't see a number.
That's exit 121 back there at Okeechobee. So we have to go 133.
Yep. That's what it says.
I think it was 16 miles, something like that. And then 7 miles to get to the road that the doctor lives on. Works on. Wonder what area this is. We're going to Rebecca Road,
Midway,
right?
by Midway, I think. This is by Midway, I think. This house is. It is by Midway.
Big building all in there.
Yeah. I know, that's so close to the highway. I wonder if it said service area ahead. I don't know.
Gee, 142.
140.
Going up.
Wait. Huh?
We go to 133, right?
Right.
I don't get it.
Shouldn't be going down.
Yeah, but you know when we get off at Okeechobee off the Turnpike, it's exit 121. Come on, people. Just move on over, will you? Stadium, 142, no? St. Lucie.
Yeah, he was really in a hurry. Huh!
Hit them brakes, buddy. Where them brakes sound good.
It's blocked, he couldn't get in. Yeah.
See?
I know.
Cause
Look at
everybody
that.
else problems.
I know, everyone is braking. Oh, this must be something ahead. Right here.
I can see that car. Behind me. Beside me. Wherever. Beside me. Miles to Stuart. really mess up the traffic when they make everybody get over and it's 2 lanes, you know? That truck had to get over. So that blocks everybody behind him so he can get up enough position so he can get over. Surprised there's not more accidents. People trying to get over when they see that move over alone.
Yeah.
Miles
Yes. 2.9.
to Martin Downs.
The exit towards Stuart.
Boy, look at this house. God. Well, we got a light up there. We have to move over.
It said, according to the message, it says lane closure.
No, see the
I think it's okay.
light up here, darling, on the right hand
I
side.
know, I'm looking at it. I think we're okay. It's just a little.
In half a mile, take exit 133 toward Florida 714, Stuart. Take exit 133. Continue for half a mile.
We're really not that far. We're only 4 miles. You know that?
I thought it was 7 miles from here.
Well, maybe 4 miles to Martin Downs, and then there's 3 more miles after that.
In a quarter mile, continue on to Southwest Martin Downs Boulevard.
That's where a lot of nice houses are on that road.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
I have to get over though, huh?
In 800 feet, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Southwest Martin Highway.
Right. It's in the right.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Southwest Martin Highway.
Yeah, we have to remember that when we come back.
Continue for 3 miles.
3 miles and we're there.
And we're gonna turn what, left or?
We'll be turning left in 3 miles. Connor, no, left lane. Second left lane. Should be a sign, hospital. Martin Health. No, Cleveland. Cleveland now, not Martin.
They changed that. We've been to that hospital. They just changed the name.
Yeah.
That's the one that I went to.
Cleveland bought it, yeah.
Yeah.
It used to be Martin Health, and Cleveland bought it.
We went on US 1 all the way there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Thought we'd never get there.
Yeah.
Is that the one that I was messed up on directions or something?
Yeah, we got lost.
Yeah.
Because you said, oh, I know how to get there. Mommy know how to get there.
We got there, didn't we?
That was when you had one of
Something.
your procedure. You know, you had a procedure. Luckily, we went early enough, so we had enough time.
Yeah.
So we didn't really mess up that much. But I think we lost like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We got there just like right on time. .5 miles. We turn left.
2.5?
2.6.
Huh?
2.5, yes. Miles. We turn left.
Mm-hmm. Howie's Tavern. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's kind of nice.
I got a tail light right now. So we're in Palm City, right? Palm Bay, Palm City.
Oh, we're in Stuart, though. Palm Bay is after Stuart. No, Palm City after Stuart.
Well, that thing said Palm City back there. That's why I was.
I don't know if that's
I
really
was
the
asking,
same.
darling.
I mean, that road connects to Palm City, I guess, but
Yeah.
this
maybe.
area is still Stuart. I think that's the road that I got lost. Where was I going?
Mm.
I was going somewhere. I don't remember. How was I driving?
Everything out here is probably 300 or 400 above housing.
Yeah. Especially now the market's high. .7 miles, turn left.
Mm-hmm. I thought I went this way one time to go to Montgomery Boulevard and that doctor over there, but it was so far. I guess it's not.
Yeah. And we thought we got lost too. We were like looking and looking. And it was towards in the back building or something.
We have to go over the bridge. After we go over the bridge, we have to turn left.
I guess.
Yeah, that's what it said on directions. Cross over some kind of bridge. Forgot the name of it.
Veterans Memorial Bridge.
Yeah.
That's the bridge. That one right there. Veterans Memorial. Right there. Veterans.
Yeah, that's right.
Veterans Memorial Bridge. Oh, this is the one that go to Jensen Beach. Remember we had a picnic? I didn't know you could come this way. Remember?
Yeah, with
I guess right after the bridge, we turn left.
get in the right 2 lanes, I forgot.
Quarter
Yeah.
mile, use the second from the left lane to turn left onto Florida 76 East.
Yeah, but where's
Second from the left lane.
the place is going to be on the.
It says use the second from the left lane
Yes, darling.
to turn left.
The place is going to be on the right, I think.
Canner Highway.
Use the second from the left lane to turn left onto Florida 76 East. Then your destination will be on the right.
Right there, the building. We'll be in the second floor.
That's
Cleveland, yeah. Cleveland Clinic, that's it.
it.
0.1 miles. That's it, right there. That's easy.
Yeah.
I mean, we're right here in the main road. To go back, it's easy, right?
Yeah, get out and go back this way down to that thing and take a left to get back on the turnpike, right?
Yeah, Turnpike or I guess Turnpike or 95, probably.
Turnpike, Don. This is the way we
Turnpike,
came.
okay. Yeah, right there.
Your destination is on the right.
So when we come out, we have to go down there to turn around.
Yeah, I have to make a U-turn.
Unless we can get out over
Unless
here.
we can go out over that way. I don't know if there's a road that way.
Well, that's the emergency, so we need to go to our doctor's building. Or
Second floor.
well, you want to go in?
I can wait in the lobby, I guess.
You're going to have a
That's the name of the doctor.
mask.
I mean, I can wait here, Don. It's okay. You go ahead.
All right.
I'll just wait for you.